Hi, this is Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and today this is just a quick video. I just wanted to ask you guys, tonight on our live show we're going to do a Q&A, and part of that will be used as part of a collaboration. I'll edit down for 5 reasons we do what we do, which is mainly focused on why we use YouTube. But I wanted to open up to a Q&A from everybody on what we do around here. If you have specific questions, things we could go through and talk about, we could go through a variety of different things, and anything from our chickens to some projects we have, to gardening, to cooking questions for Mike, or anything along those lines. So this one's open. You can list questions down below if you have anything you want to make sure we cover. Otherwise, we'll be watching what comes through on the chat as well. Please feel free to submit whatever questions you like, and we'll try to touch on everything at the live show tonight, Sunday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll see you then.